The script development for Sexting was a long process and a very influential process to what the final product was, I guess. Beth and Gwanas initially, back in 2011 or 2012, went into a secondary school in West Wales somewhere, I can't remember exactly which secondary school it was, and just started discussions with year 8 or year 9 at the time about the problem of sexting, and just try to gauge what their concerns were about the phenomenon at the time. Then I remember Beth and myself going back to Strade Comprehensive, and we led a forum theatre session, an afternoon there, again just to hear stories more than anything rather than opinions, so that Bethan had some substance to go away with, and truthful stories. And then from that, a first script was developed, and we got the actors that we're using at the moment in at this very, very early stage to have a read through. And I set them a lot of task-based activities, and Bethan task-based activities, to try and develop that script, and so that the actors had a huge input into who these characters were, how they would react to certain scenarios. We took that script back to a school and did another forum session in a school just up the road here in Aberystwyth, and then the second, third draft was born from that.